I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to download your account statements from Fidelity, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab. Once logged in, find the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the page and click on it. Step 3. Select Statements and Documents. In the drop-down menu, look for Statements and Documents and click on it to view your available statements. Step 4. Choose the statement you need. Browse through the list of available statements. Select the specific statement you want to download by clicking on the corresponding link. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the statement, look for the download button, usually in PDF format. Click it to save the document to your device. Sometimes, the download may take a moment, especially if you're accessing a large statement. Just be patient, and it should appear in your downloads folder soon. I hope this guide helps you easily access your account statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.